A very good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK class. Today in this GK class we are going to start with new page. Open page number 35. Write down today's date. What is the chapter name? Brain power. What is the chapter name? Brain power. Okay. You all have taken out. You have written the date. Write down the CW. Read out the question A. Arrange the following words in the alphabetical order. Look. In number 1, some words are given. You have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay. Like A, B, C, D. Na? Look, cat, table, great, book. These all are arranged in they all are not arranged in alphabetical order, so you have to arrange. First of all, what will came? Book, because book always start with B. So B come first now. Write down in first book. Now after book, what will came? Cat. Okay, because after B what will come? C. So C, cat. Okay. Now after cat what will come? Great. Okay. After great, tabla, because it starts with T. Okay. Now comes to second one. Place, city, maze, drum. So what will come? First, city. What will come? City. Because it starts with C. Write down city. After city, what will come? Drum. Because it starts with D. So write down drum. After drum, M. Maze. Then P. Place. Okay everyone. Now look, it is arranged in alphabetical order. Yes or no? Same way you also have to do. Now comes to B question. Take the one which belongs to the group in each row. Okay? So you have to take one of them by reading out the all words. Okay? Look at the first one: car, scooter, truck. Car, scooter, truck. So what are they? They all are vehicles now. So look at the options: cricket, bus, grapes. What we will take? Bus, because bus is also a vehicle. So in first, take the bus. Take this bus. Comes to second, washing machine, microwave oven, telephone. Okay. What are they? They all are electric appliances. Yes. Tongue. What are the options? Tongue, paper, computer. Tongue is a body part, paper is a stationary material, and computer is a electricity appliance. So what we will take? Computer. Okay. Take this computer. Now look, Christmas, Onam, Diwali. What are they? They all are festivals. So look the options: Dashera, peanuts, snail. So what we will take? Dashera, because Dashera is also a festival. Now comes to question number C. Answer the following question by ticking the correct option. In this, first of all, you have to read down the question, then you have to take the answer. So, read the first one. If a square is cut diagonally into two, what would you get? In this question is saying that if you cut the square diagonally, then what would you get? So look, first of all, I am going to tell you how. Suppose this is a square. Okay, what is this? This is a square. If you cut this square diagonally, then what would you get? Like this. If you cut this square, then what will you get? Triangle. Here, triangle. And if you cut like this, then also you get triangle. How many triangles? 4. Yes. So, if you cut the square into diagonal, then what you will get? Triangle. Okay. You will get 2 triangles. If you listen. If you will cut like this, then only you get 2 triangles. Yes or no? And if you will cut like this, then also you will get 2 triangles. Yes or no? So, what you will get after cutting square into diagonal? 2 triangles. Yes or no? So, take the 2 triangles. In first one, take the 2 triangles. Now comes to second one. If a circle is cut horizontally and vertically, what would you get? Here, question is saying that if you cut the circle horizontally and vertically, then what would you get? So, here I am going to do the second one. Okay, here let's draw the circle first. Okay, now question is saying that if we cut circle diagonally and horizontally and vertically, okay, like this. First of all like this, then like this. We have cut this. Then what we will get? 4 parts. It means we get 4 quarter. What we get? 4 quarter. So take the 4 quarter. Four quarters. Comes to third one. If 2 semicircles are joined, what would you get? Look, question is saying that if you join 2 semicircles, then what would you get? Look, first of all, here I am going to draw the semicircle like this. This is called semicircle, huh? Then again here I am going to draw the semicircle. Okay, 1 semicircle, 2 semicircle. When we both join them, then what will it form? Look, what will form? Circle. Yes or no? Yes. So, what you will take? A circle. Take the circle. Now comes to fourth one. if two equal squares are joined, what would you get? Question is saying that if you join the two equal squares, then what would you get? Look, here one square is there. Okay, one square is there. Here is also one square. Okay, two squares are there and equal in size. So when we join them together, then what will form? Look, after joining them, rectangle we find. Okay, what we find after joining two equal square? Rectangle. How many rectangle? One. Right? Take the one rectangle. Okay. Now look at question 5. What will you add to a glass of lemonade to make it chill? In summer season you all have drink the lemonade now. So to make it chill, what you will add? What you will add to make it chill? Ice. Okay, take the ice. Okay, now comes to sixth one. Look, which one of these can have two open sides? Here two options are given. One is cone and second is cylinder. And question is saying which one of these can have two open sides. So look, first of all look at the cone. Cone is like this. Yes or no? Cone is having one open side. Yes. But cylinder is having two open sides like this. Cylinder is having two open sides now. So what you will going to take? A cylinder. Okay. Take the cylinder. Do it fast. Done. Now turn to page. Open page number 36. Write down today's date, that is 24/11/20. Okay. Now look, what is the chapter name? Clockwork puzzle. Here clock is given, you have to solve that puzzle. Read down the heading. In the clockwork puzzle, you have to find 12 different parts of our body. What you have to find? You have to find 12 different parts of our body. The first half of each body part is written in the outer circle, while the other half is in the inner circle. Look, here two circles are there. One is outside and one is inside. So, the first two words are written in the outer side part, and last two words are written in the inner side of the circle. So what you have to do? You have to combine the two halves to name the body part and write them in the blanks given below. One body part has been done for you. Look, one is already have been done for you, lips. Okay, it is done. Look how you have to do. I am going to draw here this clock. Okay. Look, like this clock is drawn in your book, like this. So what you have to do, you have to form a 12 body parts. Okay. Look, first words are given over here and second one is inside this second circle. Okay. Look, first one is already done for you. Look, what is this? L-I. L-I and here P-S. What is form? L-I-P-S. Lips. Yes or no? Now comes to second one. What is this? H-A. H-A and D. Hand. Find out the and D in this circle. Here. Second one is hand. Okay. Now this one. E-Y. What will form with this E-Y? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y. E-S. Find out the E-S here. E-S. Okay. What is form? Eyes. Write down the eyes. Now this one. H-E. H-E-E-L. He. H-E-E-L. Now L-E. L-E-G-S. Here. Legs. Okay. Now H-A. N-D. Here. Hand. Now what will be next? T-A. P-A-L-M. P-A-L-M. Palm. Okay. Next. N-E-C-K. Yes. Neck. Now comes to next one. T-O. What will make? T-O-E-S. Toes. Next. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay, understood? Do it fast. Look it up. We have written hand 2 times. Here also, here also. Yes or no? So, erase this hand. Okay. This one and this one. Erase this AD also. Okay. Now what will came over here? Here. Look. Lips, hand, eyes, heel, ears, leg, palm, neck, toes, nose. Now what is left? H-E-A-D. H-E-A-D. Head. Okay. H-E-A-D. Head. Okay. Write down H-E-A-D. Now, here look this one. H-A-I-R. Here. H-A-I-R. Okay. Now 12 body parts are ready. Do it fast. Everyone has done? Okay, thank you.